why, guys. That's why it wasn't working. Because Lee had it stopped. So we're gonna go downstairs. Like, mira primo aquí, caballo. Mongólico,
¿Y cuál es tu número, primo?
Primo, ¿cuál? Nigga stink! Nigga stink vlog! Nigga smell like ass! Donald Jr., big nigga part 2. Look, Donald's little big ass snacks. Lee's thick Jr., second thick ass snack. And Cheeky's the miniest snack, and then I'm, you know. Hold on, y'all.
Donald's big.
The little snacks.
The biggest.
The biggest. I love that one.
Ya, yo tengo tu número.
Bye, vlog.